Hi, this is Kent and I'm a future front-end developer. I also enjoy gaming and creative work. This presentation shows my skills, experience, and how I work as a developer. So let's proceed. Growing up, I had many dreams. At one point, I wanted to become a PNP soldier because I admired the discipline and the service that they have. I also spent a lot of time playing action games, which later influenced my interest in technology and problem solving. Gaming as my starting point, it changed my direction. Gaming changed my direction. I became curious how games work, the characters, the mechanics, the systems. That curiosity pushed me to think beyond playing and just start understanding how things are built, which strengthened my logic and problem solving skills. Then creativity took over. I used apps like Snapchat, PZAP, and Pixelart. This one in the middle, I used PZAP to design this, and I really enjoyed editing and designing. It made me curious about websites, mobile apps, the layouts, buttons, the overall user experience, and then that is when I chose to become a front-end developer. Next is my core skills. So I have experience with front-end tools and basic development concepts. I also understand how to turn ideas into working designs, and I continue learning to improve these skills. Now, my strengths, it includes clear communication, attention to detail, and problem solving. These qualities help me understand the requirements better and improve the quality of my work. For my experience and projects, so during my studies, I work on several projects that allowed me to apply what I learned in real tasks and meet the actual requirements. First is my personal website made back when I was a first year student. This is made using the basic HTML, CSS, and some JavaScripts. And then next is a graphical GUI, graphical user interface. This is developed using Java with its tools JFrame and Window Builder. So this is a student information system back when I was a second year student. Next is a simple mobile app, a clothing store called Do the Most with basic pages such as the login and the dashboard, sign up page. I forgot to put it, and then also the navigation bar. And then eScare. This is one of my favorite project because it is a mobile app for home care services for person with special needs, and we were able to deploy it with an APK file, and then we pitched this one and also had a defense with it, in which we were able to be the first runner-up. And then next is a cross-platform system, Univote, a online voting system, the mobile app for voting and applying to be a voter candidate, and then the web app for the admin to manage the voters, candidates, and also the election duration or the poll duration. Lastly is GreenWatts, our currently capstone project, and it is an IoT-based energy monitoring system with an IoT device, of course. And then there are two interfaces with user and the admin interface. This project is developed using the Django as the backend, Supabase as the our cloud storage. And then overall, these projects and experience, it really shaped me who I am today. Through the challenges and teamwork that we have, I learned to be more responsible and focused and also confident. Each experience pushed me to grow, improve my skills, and develop a stronger mindset. Now, for my problem-solving approach, is that it involves analyzing the issue, testing possible solutions, and refining the result. This process helped me become more confident in handling challenges. Teamwork. So, I really value teamwork because it encourages collaboration and better ideas. I listen to others, respect different opinions, and communicate openly. Working with a team allows us to combine strengths and produce better results together. AFW things. I call this AFW teams or away from work because away from work, I enjoy gaming and other relaxing activities. These help me unwind, reduce stress, and clear my mind. Having time to relax helps me stay creative, motivated, and focused when I return to my work. Now, how it shaped me. So, life outside work shaped my mindset. Spending time with my friends taught me adaptability and communication. Hiking helped me stay patient and focused. Gaming sharpened my problem solving and quick thinking. And then these experiences keep my creativity active and influence how I approach my work. Now, why I am a good fit? I'm a good fit because I'm willing to learn and I'm also adaptable and committed to doing my best. I take responsibility seriously and adjust quickly to new challenges. I'm motivated to grow with the team and contribute meaningful results. My work ethic and values is built on honesty, consistency, and effort. I respect deadlines and take responsibility for my task. I believe that continuous improvement comes from discipline and giving full effort, even in small details. That's all. Thank you for your time, and these are my contact details. I believe development is a continuous journey of learning and improvement, and that mindset is what I bring as a future front end developer.